I'm going to demonstrate training an AILD-1 to use different rheostats. I'll start with this rheostat. This is from a 1978 to 1989 Porsche 928. It's a rheostat that measures approximately 6 ohms from end to end. The first step in configuring the AILD-1 for a different rheostat is to disconnect it. That will cause the red light to blink at a 1 Hertz interval, showing that the rheostat is disconnected. When you reconnect it, this now puts the AILD-1 in a training mode, and you'll see the red light flashes at a 4 Hertz interval. There's actually one additional step needed for some configurations of the AILD-1, and that is to ground one of the terminals, one of the rheostat terminals, but for this configuration I don't need to do that. Okay, need to roll the rheostat a little bit, not to the ends, but just in the middle, kind of randomly for about 3 seconds. That puts it into a kind of a reset training state. And once you're done with that, you end on whichever end of the rheostat you want to be the dim end. So I'll go all the way to this end here. You leave it there for a little more than 3 seconds. Then I will roll it back and forth end to end 3 times to complete the training. So let's do that. I need to hold it at each end then for more than half a second, but not more than 3 seconds. I usually kind of shoot for about a second and count off. So we have 1. Let's do 1, 2, 3. We get the confirmation blink indicating that training is complete, and now you'll note that since I ended on this end, that is the dim end, and the LED is off. We can see that the range now goes from full off to full bright. Now if we want, we can actually reverse the way the rheostat works and actually have this end be the dim end, even though that's almost a direct short circuit there. So let's do that. Disconnect, 1 Hertz blink rate on the red light, reconnect. We're now in training mode again. Jiggle the rheostat in the kind of in the middle of the range for 3 seconds approximately. This time I will end on this end, so that will become the dim end. I have to make sure I wait 3 seconds before I do my 3 sweeps. Now I'm going to do my 3 sweeps. 1, 2, 3. Confirmation blink. Now you'll notice this end is the end where it's off, and that end is full bright with varying intensity levels in between. Now to show us a little bit more of the flexibility, I'll try something entirely different. This is a 10K, kind of a traditional potentiometer. Way different resistance range on this. Get that plugged in. You'll notice it's indicating that the rheostat is disconnected. Once I reconnect this, we'll be in training mode again. See the 4 Hertz blink rate. Okay. Do my jiggle for about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and this time I will end there, setting the dim end. Then I'll do my 3 sweeps. 1, 2, 3. Confirmation blinks. Now you'll see, even though the resistance range is way higher than the other rheostat, we've got the same degree of control using this 10K potentiometer. Hope that's helpful.